The most common reason app icons disappear on your Galaxy S25 is a change in your home screen settings that hides certain apps or places them inside hidden screens or folders. Other possible causes include accidentally removing the shortcut from your home screen or changes in the layout after updates or settings resets. In this video, you'll learn 3 quick fixes to restore missing app icons on your Galaxy S25. So follow along and you'll be back to accessing your apps without the frustration of searching for them. The first thing you should do is check your home screen settings. Sometimes apps are hidden or placed inside the app drawer only. To make sure that's not the case, touch and hold an empty space on the home screen and tap Settings. Tap on Hide Apps on Home and App screens. Review the hidden apps and find the app that disappeared from the home screen. If it's there, then simply tap the minus symbol and it will be restored. Next, find and re-add the missing app. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app drawer. Look for the app that disappeared, then touch and hold it, and select Add to Home to place it back on your home screen. Or you can simply drag it to the spot where you want it. In most cases, this is enough to fix this issue. So if the icon of the app is still not appearing, then check to see if the app has been installed. Open the Play Store and search for it. You can immediately tell if the app has been installed on your device or not. If it says Install, then it wasn't installed yet or has been uninstalled at some point. If it says Open, the app has already been installed on your phone. For this, go back to the home screen settings and look for the option Add New Apps to Home Screen and make sure to enable it. You can then uninstall the app whose icon can't be found and then reinstall it. It will be shown on the home screen after the installation. These fixes should be enough to solve the disappearing app icon issue on your Galaxy S25. If this video helped, please give it a like or watch another video to discover more ways to master your device.